Hi, it's August, Oakland Senior of 2020 in Mechatronics, and today I'm going to explain to you how to change out the consumables on the plasma cutter. So let us begin. Say you're making a piece, starts cutting bad, whatever else. The first thing you're going to do, let's go ahead and bring this towards us. Now, it's a little closer, we can work with it. This little wire right here, take that off, just like that. You can unravel it, get out of your way, whatever else you need to do. Well, let's set it up there for the moment. So, there's a couple of different pieces that go into this. This piece right here is the first thing to come off. This is called your ohmic cap. Now, it's all regular threaded, but everything's upside down, so you gotta remember, you're turning this way. So we're gonna pop that off. That piece comes off. That's all it is. This is a regular cutting nozzle. It's not precision, nothing special. That's what it looks like. Set that piece out of the way. Now, whenever you're changing the electrode and the nozzle and everything else, this whole black piece right here has to come out. So again, you're going to turn it this way. This one's probably gonna be a little tight. Go ahead and unscrew it all the way until it comes out. Oh, and don't drop the pieces. Now, I don't exactly know the names for this. You can look it up if you want, but there's that black piece. All it does is let everything screw into it. That's very important. Don't screw that up. Now, there's two pieces to this. There is a plastic piece that shouldn't ever really get damaged unless you're doing something stupid, like trying to pull it out the wrong way. So, this piece is called the nozzle. It kind of directs the jet going into your cap. So, the plasma goes through there, through this orifice, and comes out there to direct it and size it and everything else. This piece is just kind of like a guide for it that holds it in place. You don't want to lose this. And always remember that this bigger lip sits into this plastic piece on the other side, just like this. This is really hard to do with one hand. Sits just in there just like that. Now, this is the piece that goes bad. This just pulls right out of there. Just a little cullet that holds it in. This is your electrode. You see that little metal piece in the end? When you get a new electrode, that's going to be perfectly flat. It's going to be level with it, not indented at all. This one, it's not bad, but it has been used, so it wears out. This is the main consumable piece. So, whenever you're replacing this, it starts cutting bad, whatever else, this is the piece you're going to replace. So say we just grabbed a new one. It's pretty simple to put it back together. This piece, make sure that this is pointed towards the water. This piece just pops right in there, just like that. Come over here. You're going to grab your nozzle inside of the little plastic holder. You're going to grab the black piece. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand. That's just going to sit in there, just like that. Comes out, no problem. That's all you have to do. Put this back on. Again, reversed. It's not reverse threads, but it's upside down. So you're going to turn it this way. Probably going to have to push up on it a little bit so it starts to thread. There you go. And make sure that this gets pretty tight. You don't want this to be loose. So we give it a good crank. There we go. That's all together. Now, we're going to put the ohmic cap back on. So we are going this direction with turning. Make sure that's on there good and tight. And now lastly, we want to put this wire back on. So let's get it wrapped up around here, coiled up, since we have so much extra. And then this flat side, notice how this side is perfectly flat, is going to go against the torch, and it's going to slide down over this little metal clip right here. And that's all you have to do. You have now changed out the consumable for our Lincoln Electric plasma table. Congratulations.